what's up? It's your boy Coordinaficent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Sabrina Carpenter Skin. Okay, so this is an easy tutorial because we're not going to be using the capo and we're just playing with basic chords here. So if you're not familiar with those, you can check out the video in my description. It will teach you how to hold them. But if you do, let's get right into it. We have E minor. Okay, let's start from the verse. So the verse starts with a E minor, and then we go to G, and then we go to C. So E minor, G, C, and then C again, and then a little bit of D. C twice, there you go. And then as a passing chord, we put a D. So we have the same progression for the verse and the chorus, and it goes like this. So we have E minor, and then we pass to D, and then G. G is the second chord, and then C. So that was G twice, and then C twice again, and then passing. This is C, passing a D, and then we go back, and we're starting over. So that's E minor, D, and then G. Okay, G again, and then C. I think we strum C 3 times 2, 3, and then we go to a D, and then we're back on the E minor. Okay, so if you want to like strum this in a continuous way, it would sound like. Let's slow that down so that you guys can get it. So that's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's just check to see if there's like a bridge where the chords change. If there isn't, then that's the chords for the whole song. Turns out they are. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. There was basic chords, 4 of them. Do make sure you learn this song because it's an easy one. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Let me know in the comment section below any new songs that you need me to check out for y'all, and I will get to that. Otherwise, that's been it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.